we'll start again. The optimum cutting speed and optimum tool life, we have to just derive the particular relationship of minimum cost of production and maximum production rate. So that is very important, and we have to see that I think now it is getting recorded. Okay, just try to check. So for
Yes, sir.
minimum,
Okay, sir.
okay, for minimum cost. So what we have to do, already I told you yesterday, we have derived the total production cost in terms of K, and we have to derive this particular, differentiate this particular equation with respect to V. V is the cutting speed, and set it to 0. And you take it granted that you have practiced, and you'll be getting the equation as optimum cutting speed is given by V0 or VO is equal to C by 1 C by 1 by n minus 1 into K1 into TC. TC is the tool changing cost plus K2. So yesterday we have seen what is K2 also. So what is K2? Can anybody tell? K2 is the cost of tool per grind. And what is K1? Direct labor cost plus overhead charges. And already I told you TC is the tool changing time. Tool changing time. So you have to take this into consideration, and again you have to go for the optimum tool life. So the optimum tool life is given by It is given by TMC. TMC is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into K1 TC plus K2 by K1. So just try to see this particular equations. These particular equations are very much useful in the problem. In the ensuing problem, we'll try to do. It is a big problem, 10 parameters we have to particularly find out. And what is the particular maximum production rate? For maximum production rate, will be seeing that total. What is the total production cost? Total production cost is given by TP. TP. So yesterday, and we have the machining time. It is a machining time plus tool changing time plus non-productive time. Everything you have to take into consideration. So for finding out this particular optimum cutting speed, and again you have to find out the optimum cutting speed and optimum tool life for maximum production rate. So maximum production rate in the subscript we'll try to put as MPR. MPR. So that is these are the derivations are very important. You may ask the derivations of the problem in the exam. So just try to see that, and we will try to see that the difference. What is the total production time? It's given by TP. So what you have to do, and you have to differentiate that particular total production time TP with respect to V, that is the cutting speed, and equate it to 0. So all that is very much required for that one. And so upon equating that to 0, you'll be getting as dTP by dV. So you have to again, I'll be giving the formulas. You try to practice at your home this particular differentiation terms mathematics part. So I'm giving only the equations which are necessary. This is the third equation, optimum cutting speed. So optimum cutting speed for the maximum production rate is given by VMXP, maximum production rate. So is given by this C by 1 by n minus 1 into TC. TC is the tool changing. So what I told you, what is TC? What is TC? I already told you, it is the tool changing time. Tool changing time, not tool changing cost. Okay. So just try to remember that term. C is the constant, and is the index for different rough turning and finish turning. You have different things. And optimum tool life. Again, optimum tool life is given by T MXP. So whatever it is, or you just try to write as MPR, maximum production rate, whatever it is. And it is given by 1 by n minus 1 into TC. 1 by n minus 1 into TC. So this 1, 2, and 3, 4 equations are very much necessary for the problems, for the ensuing problems, for the ensuing problem we'll try to do. So all of you, I think already told you for metal cutting cost, you be prepared with the calculator and notes. So it is a big problem. Yeah, all of you have to note down and try to understand what he has given and what he has asked. So here, what is K1? Again, I'm repeating, what is K1? K1 is equal to, sorry, so direct labor cost plus overhead charges, operating cost. It is known as the operating cost. K2 is the tool cost per grind. So these are the particular units in rupees. And what is TC? Tool changing time in minutes. Tool changing time in minutes. So here, what is V0? Already we have seen V0 is the cutting speed for minimum cost. Because if you go on increasing the cutting speed beyond a certain limit, it will not, the spindle will be worn out. The machine spindle will be worn out, and the cutting tool also, and the cutting speed also, and the cutting tool also will be worn out, and the tool life will be reduced. So what will happen? You have to see that we have to have a optimum cutting speed for maximum production rate. So you should not disturb the production also, you should not lessen the production also. So you should have the optimum cutting speed for maximum production rate. So what is TMC? Tool life for minimum cost. TMC is the tool life for minimum cost. So that is the particular things you have to keep in mind. The first two, 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. So now slowly we'll be going to the maximum cutting speed, V into VMP or VMPR. So it is the particular cutting speed for maximum production rate. Cutting speed for maximum production rate. And what is TMPR or TMP? It is the tool life for maximum production, which is given in minutes. And what is C? C is the machining constant. C is the machining constant. So all that are very much necessary for you. So just try to observe the things. And what is N? N is the particular thing from an exponent depending on the cutting conditions. And so you have to be very much careful about the particular units and the particular what are the ideal cutting conditions. But sometimes you'll be giving in the data, but sometimes you will not be giving. Suppose it is not giving N value for rough turning, you have to take some 1/8, you have to assume, or for finishing you have to take as from 1/10, like that. Already we have done some problems. So just try to see the problem. So you try to just observe. This is a very lengthier problem, because if he is giving, he should give directly for 14 marks. So what is the problem he has given? He has given the data, and the machining constant, that is machining constant is given by C is equal to 80, and tool changing time he has given as TC. Tool changing time is 5 minutes. Tool regrinding time he has given as 3 minutes. So this is the data he has given. So tool depreciation cost. Any particular, even a human being has depreciation. Over the years, the lifespan will be decreasing. So like that, in the economics, we'll say it is depreciation. Depreciation of an automobile, or depreciation of a particular home appliance like washing machine, AC, refrigerator, like that, or any particular appliance, electronic appliance or electrical appliance. So, and it is rupees 120 per grind. Rupees 120 per grind. An operating cost he has given as 25 paise per minute. 25 paise per minute. And what is the K1? So what is K1? K1 is the operating cost. K1 is the operating cost, and it is the sum of the labor plus overhead charges. It is K1 20 paise. And what is the work loading and unloading time he has given, because that is the ideal time. What is work loading and unloading time? It is the ideal time, because the production will not be there, non-productive work. That's why it's known as the ideal time. He has given as 35 seconds. So all of you try to see what he has given in the data and what he has speed f 0.25 mm per revolution. So what is exponent? Exponent or index 0.25. He has given directly 0.25. And what is job length? You just try to see. This is a very tricky problem. Suppose L is the 450 mm he has given. So I'll try to just when we implement this L, I'll try to just tell you why he has given machined all over in 4 passes. So just try to observe that 450 mm machined over in the 4 passes. So all that are very much necessary for you to understand the terminology in the problem also, the notations and the literature also, the sentences you will be giving. The cutting speed V is equal to 30 meters per minute. V work dia he has given as 55 mm, and ideal time per piece he has given as 4 minutes. Though he has given the work loading and unloading time, we just try to see where we have to implement that. Okay, where we have to implement that. So all that are very much necessary. And tool grinding cost is also given as rupees 120 per grind. Tool grinding cost is rupees 120 per grind. So that is different. Tool depreciation cost and the tool grinding cost. Maybe where we have to implement this, we'll just try to see. So what he has asked, you just try to see. He has asked the optimum cutting speed for minimum cost. So what is this optimum cutting speed for minimum cost? It is V naught. The notations you have to observe for the derivations. Tool life corresponding to optimum cutting speed. Tool life corresponding to optimum cutting speed. So just try to observe that also. What is tool life corresponding to optimum cutting speed? It is simply what he has asked previously. So it is TMC. TMC. It is only TMC he has asked. The second case. And what he has asked, cutting speed for maximum production rate. It is VMP. VMP or VMPR. So what is tool life for maximum production? Is nothing but TMP or TMPR. So you have to be very cautious about the derivation, the theory. Then only you will you can remember the particular the notations, the terms which you can use in the problem. So machining, he has asked again, machining cost per piece. We just try to see that. Already we have seen in the yesterday's derivation. Tool changing cost per piece, because the total cost will be machining cost per piece plus tool changing cost per piece, and everything you have to consider all the 4 costs, the ideal cost and the tool grinding cost also. And he has asked the tool life. He has asked also the tool life. Tool life is simply given by T. Ideal cost he has asked. Ideal cost he has asked. That is what is the ideal cost? Yesterday I told you it's given by the some particular terms are there. You just try to remember, because you have to be very careful. Ideal time is TI, but ideal cost also we'll just try to see what it is. So ideal cost also is given by K1 into ideal time per piece. Ideal cost per piece is equal to K1 into ideal time per piece. What is K1? K1 is the operating cost. Will come one by one. So the other things are, he has asked the 10 parameters. That's why I told you this is a lengthier problem. So just try to concentrate. First we have to finish this, then if we need it, we'll try to revise this problem again. So what is the tool regrinding cost, and what is the total cost of producing 1500 components? So first of all, you have to calculate the total cost of producing a single piece, one component. Then you have to multiply that with 1500. You will be getting the total cost of producing 1500 components. So all these are very much necessary, and you have to see the solution. So what is the solution? So what is the solution? He has given the optimum cutting speed. You have to calculate for the minimum cost. Optimum cutting speed for the minimum cost. So V naught, we have to calculate V naught first. So what is V naught formula? So just try to observe what is V naught. The first equation, you have to be very careful. Already I told you, people should not join late. I already told you, at least they are also following the, not following the rules. Co-host, if is there, you should not allow. Actually, every time I'm being disturbed by that particular admitting the students. I will not admit from now. So now, what is the optimum cutting speed for minimum cost? V naught is equal to C by 1 minus 1, 1 by n minus 1 into K1 Tc plus K2 by K1 into all to the power of n. You just try to see where the particular index or the particular component you are just putting that n. So you know what is n. So, but what is K2? K2 you have to find out. Tool cost per grind. Tool cost per grind. It is equal to tool grinding, regrinding time into operating cost plus tool depreciation cost. He has given directly the tool depreciation cost as rupees 1 rupee 20 paise and tool changing time. Tool changing time into operating cost. He has given directly that particular tool changing time as how much he has given. The tool changing time he has given as 5 minutes. I think you just try to see. Okay, tool changing time TC as 5 minutes into operating cost. So operating cost he has given directly here. The operating cost also has given directly 20 paise. 20 paise has given. So you just try to substitute the values. So tool cost per grind is how much? How much he has given? You just try to say tool cost per grind he has given as 3. To tool regrinding time is 3 minutes. 3 into 25 paise plus this particular tool depreciation cost is 1 rupee 20 paise has given in the data plus tool changing time is 5 minutes into operating cost. Operating cost he has given as 25 paise. The operating cost is given by K1. K1, I think. You just try to see that. So just try to the operating cost. Sorry, operating cost is 25 paise. Sorry, it's not 20 paise. It is 25 paise per minute. So 25 paise per minute operating cost. So this is the operating cost. This is the operating cost. This is the total tool regrinding time, and this is the tool depreciation cost, and tool changing time he has given as 5 minutes like that, and you just try to see where it is given in the data, and the particular this is the particular operating cost he has given as 25 minutes or 25 paise. Operating cost is given as 25 paise per minute. So you'll get K2. So you substitute the value of K2, that is 3 rupees 20 paise in the first equation. This is the first equation, V naught. So C has given in the data, C is a constant 80, NE has given as 0.25, and K1 he has given as, what is K1? K1 is 20 paise. 20 paise means you have to convert into rupees 0.2 into TC. TC has given as, you just try to see what he has given. TC is 5 minutes plus K2. K2 we have calculated now, rupees 3 rupees 20 paise by K1. K1 he has given already 20 paise. So the optimum cutting speed for minimum cost you will be getting 50.5 meters per minute. So after that you have to calculate that T. What is T? T is the particular tool life for the minimum cost, or you can just give some particular terms in the derivation. What is the term we have given for the T? It is a TMC. MC is the minimum cost, and TMP is TMPR is the tool life for maximum production rate, and VMPR is the cutting speed for maximum production rate. So in the subscript you have to use the terms. So here according to the Taylor's tool life equation, VT power n is equal to C, or T is equal to C by V whole to the power of 1 by n. So you'll be getting that, and is equal to C is he has given as 80. Now only you have calculated V naught. What is V naught? It is the optimum cutting speed for minimum cost. So if you are calculating that wrong, the second part also you will get wrong. So just try to observe or carefully observe whatever the parameters he has given, and what are the particular formula for K2. So sometimes you may not give K1 also, but most of the times you may give K1. So what is the cutting speed for maximum production rate? TMP, TMP or TMPR. It is the formula is given in third equation. TMPR is C by 1 by N minus 1 into TC. What is TC? TC is the, what is TC? TC is the tool changing time. Tool changing time he has given us 5 minutes in the data in the problem. So everything is clear here. So you don't have to search for the data or derive. You just try to substitute the values in the formula TMP or TMPR. So you'll be getting the cutting speed for maximum production rate. Maximum production rate. So don't unmute yourselves for the sake of just chatting. ఏ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు ఉన్నారా? ఏ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు? ఆజాద్, Sairam?
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
Is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is tool life? So tool life is for the maximum production rate is given by TMPR. It is simply given as 1 by N minus 1 into TC. TC is the tool changing time. It has given us 5 minutes again. You just try to substitute that particular N and TC. You'll be getting tool life for maximum production rate. It's 15 minutes only. Because for maximum production rate, you just try to observe the values for, I want to tell you, you observe the values for that particular T for the tool life for minimum cost, you have got as 6.34. And tool life for maximum production rate, you have got as 15 minutes. So just try to see the values. Here it is 15 minutes. For maximum production rate, you have to increase, you have to go for the particular cutting speed also. You try to observe between the, he has got as 50.5 and the cutting speed for maximum production rate, you have got as 47.6. You try to observe the parameters and try to comment, because for maximum production rate, the particular value will be less than the value for the optimum cutting speed. Here it is 50.5, here it is 47.6. So though it is a problem, you have to observe the parameters, just like a professional mechanical engineer or a tool room engineer or a production supervisor or a production engineer. So all that you have to observe. The tool life for maximum production rate you have calculated. So all these are very important terms. And what is the particular this one for machining cost per piece? You have to find out the machining cost per piece. You have to find out the maximum time per piece first. Maximum time per piece. So what is the maximum time per piece? Yesterday we have seen the formula pi dl by f into v into 1000. So just try to see. I want to tell you here itself in the formula y has taken 450 into 4, because 450 into 4 is nothing but it is the all the 4 faces. You have to take the length 450 into 4. It is the machining length. So pi dl, you have to substitute the values of d, l, f is 0.25, cutting speed is 30 as given in the beginning. So all that you have to take into consideration. So here the machining time per piece you will be getting 41.44. So what is the machining cost per piece? Machining cost per piece is taken as machining time per piece into K1. K1 is given as simply 20 paise. That is the operating cost. 0.2 in terms of rupees you have to take. So you'll be getting machining cost per piece is 8 rupees 28 paise. So again, what is the next parameter you have to take? Next parameter, what he has asked, tool life. So next parameter, he has asked the tool life. So tool life is given by T is equal to, simply from the Taylor's tool life equation, T is equal to C by V. You have to rearrange the terms O to the power of 1 by N. So you'll be getting 1.28 minutes. So you be careful about the units. Minutes there, rupailu there, నిమిషాలు రాయొద్దామా అంటే ఆ టైం అప్పుడు మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వచ్చు లేకపోతే స్పీడ్గా తప్పులు రాయొచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెవెంత్ పారామీటర్ is asked? You just try to see what is the seventh parameter he has asked. He has asked the particular tool changing cost per piece. So what is tool changing cost per piece? Again, it is unmute yourself, mute yourself, please. Ma Ajad, some are disturbing. So tool changing cost per piece is ఎవరో పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ మ్యూట్ ఆల్ చేస్తున్నానే కొందరు అన్మ్యూట్ అయ్యి కొద్దిగా డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు. టూల్ చేంజింగ్ కాస్ట్ పర్ పీస్ ఇస్ K1 into tool failures per piece. K1 into tool failures per piece into TC. So what is TC? TC is nothing but it is the tool changing time. Tool changing time. What is tool failures per piece? Tool failure per piece is given by machining time per tool.
Number 326. Regular 326. Oh, okay, sir. Sir, continue, sir. Sir? రే సార్ లీవ్ అయిపోయారా?
లీవ్ అయిపోతామా?
ఒక నిమిషం కనుక్కుంటా సార్. ఉండండి సార్ని కనుక్కుంటా.
కళ్యాణ్
సుందర్ ఏంటి సంగతులు? సుందర్ సుందర్
ఆదర్శ్ ఏడ్రా? ఆదర్శ్ ఏడి?
వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో
వస్తారండి, ఉండండి. సార్ కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం అంట.
307 అవరా క్లాస్ తీసుకోండి.
ఎవరో లీవ్ అవ్వకండి, సార్ వస్తారు.
తీసుకుని నువ్వు
కాల్ చేసి సార్ ఇప్పుడే
347 ఆగరుతున్నాము.
347 ఆగరుతుంది గట్టి.
సరే అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి ప్రజెంట్ చెప్తున్నాము.
అలాంటి సార్ వద్దు.
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఎవర్రా?
ఆజాద్
అయిపోయి
ఏ మ్యాన్ ఆజాద్ ఏంటిది? అజయ్ ఏంటి క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది ఏంటి?
సార్ వస్తారు
ఇప్పుడు తెలిసినట్టు. సరే ఇంటర్ పబ్జి బ్యాన్ అంటున్నారు.
అదే సార్ అడగాల్సింది.
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లేవా?
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లేదు.
క్లాస్ తీసుకోమని
వచ్చినట్టు
మిస్టర్ వాసు
నెంబర్ 3 సార్ వచ్చారు అక్కడ. ఓకే సార్. సార్ మైక్ ఆన్. నెంబర్ 348. ఓకే. సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి.
సార్ ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పరా.
సార్ సరి చేసుకున్నారు చెప్పాను.
Okay. Now you can hear my voice.
ఎస్ సార్ కంటిన్యూ సార్.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So now at connections, you don't just try to cooperate at that time, and some are making the noise in between. So ideal cost per piece, already I told you, K1 into ideal time per piece. So what is the ideal time per piece? Already has given in the data. You just try to see. He has given us 4 minutes. So don't worry about the data. Data is there. Only you have to implement the formulas. And K1 is the operating cost, which is nothing but it is the labor charges plus overhead per minute. Overhead, already I told you, it is the unforeseen charges you have to take into consideration. So that is K1. He has given us 20 paise. 20 paise into that particular 4 minutes. So just try to see that. So what is the tool regrinding cost per piece? So 80. 80 means here it is, what is 80? 80 paise, 0.8, 80 paise, 0.80. So try to be conscious of the units. And what is tool regrinding cost per piece? Tool regrinding cost per piece also you have to take into consideration. Ajad, recording avutunda?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎస్ సార్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Okay. So what is the tool regrinding cost per piece? It is the cost per grind. So what is, he has given the cost per grind also. So cost per grind also he has given. You just try to see. He has given us 1 rupee 25, 1 rupee 20 paise per grind. 1 rupee. It is nothing but tool depreciation cost per grind. So what is number of tool failures? Again, you have to take the particular formula, machining time by tool life. Just try to see the particular. అమ్మా మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలమ్మా. హలో ఏ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు? ఎవరో నంబర్ చూసి చెప్పమ్మా, ఆయన యాబ్సెంట్ వేస్తా.
నెంబర్ 375.
375. ఇందాక 343 కదా? Okay, I'll see that. So I'll just try to see that. So what are the number of tool failures per piece? 375.
సార్ మ్యూట్ ఎవరివన్ చేసింది సార్ మీరు?
నాకు ఇక్కడ తెలియట్లేదమ్మా, ఏంటో తెలియట్లేదు ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే సార్. 375 కాల్ చేయండి ఒకసారి.
375 కాల్ చేయి, నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పను ఇప్పుడు వరకు.
ఎవరు?
375 కిరణ్.
So I'll report to HOD. This
కాల్ చేసి
matter.
చెప్పండి.
So it is tool failures per piece is the machining time per tool life. Again, you have to substitute the value you have got in the previously can but in order to go for the particular thing, cost per grind, it is 1 rupee 20 paise, and machining time per tool life, you have to take that 41.44 by 1.28. So you'll be getting that rupees 38.25. So you have to sum up all the costs, because in the derivation What is the total cost of production per piece? Is K. Ideal cost per piece plus machining cost per piece. Ideal cost per piece is
Okay, sir. Continue. Sir.
what is the ideal cost per piece? It is the machining cost per piece, and it is nothing but the tool changing cost. All the four things yesterday we have seen, one A, B, C, D. So whatever A, B, C, D is there, you just try to see. And what is the ideal cost? You already have got as 80 paise. Machining cost per piece you have got as 8 rupees 28 paise. Tool changing cost as you have already got as 32 rupees 37 paise. And the tool regrinding cost is 38 rupees 85 paise. So it is total cost is we will be getting as 80 rupees 30 paise. So what he has asked in the problem? He has asked in the problem manufacturing cost of 1500 pieces. So each piece is 80 rupees 30 paise. So multiply with 1500, you will be getting this value rupees 1,20,450. You have to be very careful in framing the derivations. First the derivations, the notations, and what are terms. Just like again I will go back to the beginning of the problem. What he has given and what he has asked, you just try to, I'll give you 6 minutes time or 10 minutes time. You just try to observe. I don't want to just to speak. In the meanwhile, you have the particular textbook, the notes and everything. Okay. So today somewhat the internet connection is stable. So you have to unstable. It is you have to bear with me. So just try to observe the problem. So what he has given. So just try to see. So what he has given, you just see the problem. Okay. So what he has given the machining constant C. Machining constant C has given. TC is the tool changing time, 5 minutes. Tool regrinding time. So you have to see where we have to use each and every parameter. Tool regrinding time. Where you have to use the tool regrinding time, you have to see. So you have to use the tool regrinding time somewhere in the particular problem. So just try to observe that also. 3 minutes. So tool depreciation in that problem actually has given wrong spelling. Tool depression, it's not depression. Tool depreciation, but I've corrected that because the typing errors are there even in university papers or some of the other material. So it is rupees 1 rupee 20 paise per grind. Operating cost as 25 paise per minute. 25 paise per minute. So don't take K1 as operating cost. K1 is 20 paise and operating cost is 25 paise. Though it is 5 paise more the operating cost, the answer you will not get correct. So be careful in that particular matter. So what is work loading? 35 seconds. So it is not that all the data which is given in the problem you should take. Some of the data which is useful for your formula or the equations you have to take into consideration. So you have to take feed, you have given feed, exponent value, job length, the machined all over in 4 passes. He has given, that's why you have taken 4:15 to 4, because not a single pass the machining can be done as far as the machine piece is concerned or machine job is concerned. So passes, it's like multi-pass machining, or just like welding, multi-pass welding, because the weld bead cannot be formed in, so may have more than one pass. Cutting speed V, work diameter 55 mm, ideal time minutes, tool grinding cost is rupees 1 rupee 25 per grind. So what he has asked, you just try to see. And what are the parameters and what are the notations? Optimum cutting speed, again I told you, is given by V0. Because it is a lengthy problem, you may get confused in the beginning. You cannot grasp. That's why I'm repeating. So this is a very important problem. lengthy problems may not be given in the competitive exams, but in the IES or some of the particular AMI or this particular JNTU exams, you may give tool life corresponding to optimum speed is T. What he has given, tool life corresponding to optimum cutting speed. Here you can take as T naught only, T naught. But in the derivation, you may have given some of the optimum tool life because for minimum cost, you might have taken MC for just like we are taking maximum production rate MP. So like that, you have to frame your notations carefully. And what is the cutting speed for maximum production VMP, tool life for maximum production TMP, machining cost per piece, tool changing cost per piece, tool life simply T, ideal cost is you have that into consideration, ideal cost plus tool changing cost plus tool regrinding cost plus all that particular cost, that 4 parameters, machining cost per piece plus tool changing cost per piece plus ideal cost plus regrinding cost is given by K. That is the total cost. So that K into 1500 components is asked what is the total cost of producing 1500 components. So just go one by one, just try to observe the things, observe the formula, try to note down the formula without practicing the derivation or writing down the formula. You cannot take into consideration anything. So in the formula, you have to, K1 is given directly in the data. So you have to calculate. K2 is nothing but it is the total cost per grind. So total cost per grind is given by tool regrinding time into operating cost. So operating cost is given as 25 paise per minute. So tool depreciation cost is given as rupees 1 rupee 20 paise plus tool changing time. Tool changing time is given as some 5 minutes. Somewhere is given, you just try to see TC into operating cost. So K2, after finding out K2, you have to calculate what is the cutting speed for, what is the optimum cut for minimum cost. So after calculating that, considering the Taylor's tool life equation, you have to simply calculate the tool life for the corresponding optimum cutting speed. Or already I told you it is TMC or some TO, TMC or TO, whatever it is. That's why for the corresponding cutting speed, he has given 50.5. You have got 50.5. You have to substitute in the particular value in the Taylor's tool life equation. You are getting some 6.34 minutes. And cutting speed for maximum production rate, VMPR is, he has given the formula, or we have got in the derivation, VMPR, C by this one, C by denominator. So you will be getting that as 47.6. So, and you have to observe what is the particular cutting speed for maximum production rate. It is less than the optimum cutting speed. I'll give you an example. Suppose the maximum spindle rate in the manual for lathe machine is from 2500 or 3000. You don't run the particular spindle at that particular RPM. Less than 1500, less than 500 to 800 or 750 RPM, you just try to run. Because if you try to run the particular lathe for that particular spindle speed in RPM maximum, you have to replace the spindle in a less amount of time. That's why there's a lot of discussions, 50.5 here and 47.6. The value will be less here as far as the cutting speed for maximum production rate. And tool life for maximum production rate also you calculate according to the formula 15 minutes. So, and what is the particular formula for machining cost per piece? Yeah, it is nothing but pi dl by 1000 FV into K1. What is K1 here? K1 is the labor plus overhead charges per minute. K1, so that is 8 rupees 28 paise. So that you will be getting. And what is the type we have to calculate here again, because that is you have to substitute in this particular formula as far as the ideal cost or regrinding cost, that 1 rupee 28, tool life, that is not 1 rupee, it is 1.28 minutes. So that is the tool life because you have to rearrange the terms Vt power n is equal to C, you will be getting that T value as C by V over to the power of 1 by N. So again, the seventh, so he has asked what is the tool changing cost per piece. Tool changing cost per piece, again it is K1 into tool failures per piece. So what is the formula for tool failure per piece? It is machining time by tool life. Machining time already I have calculated previously, you have got as 41.44. Tool life here you have calculated as this one 1.28 minutes. In TC, what is TC? TC is nothing but tool changing time. He has given in minutes. So that is 32 rupees and 37 paise. So what is the ideal cost per piece? Ideal cost per piece is ideal time per piece into K1. K1 he has given as 20 paise. So everything, this will be in some particular paise and you have to convert that into rupees, 0.80. So what is the tool regrinding cost per piece? Tool regrinding cost per piece is cost per grind. So cost per grind already has given some particular value, just try to see in the data, 1 rupee 20 paise, and number of tool failures. Every time you remember once that particular formula, machining time by tool life. Number of tool failures will be equal to machining time by tool life. That already I have calculated. We have calculated here. Simply substitute that particular value in this one, because we are coming from, we are taking the fundamentals into consideration. That's why every time we are writing the formula number of tool failures per piece, number of tool failures per piece, that is equal to some particular value, 38 rupees. So what is the total production cost per piece? Total production cost per piece equal to machining cost per piece plus tool changing cost per piece plus tool regrinding cost per piece plus ideal cost per piece. They have written ideal cost per piece in the beginning. The D, yesterday, that is the fourth parameter. Machining cost per piece is the first one. In the machining cost per piece, you have to calculate the machine idle time, machine time per piece. That is pi dl by 1000 FV. So all that. Okay, we'll finish here. So that K value you have calculated. K value you have calculated. That is the total production cost per piece. And how many pieces he has asked? The total production cost for 1500 pieces. For 1500 pieces is 1500 into 80.3. So that is the thing. So next class, all of you listen. Next class will be starting the introduction of unit 2. That is the machine tools. That is maybe the lathe machine will start with the introduction part. And totally, I am as far as from my side, I'm satisfied. I've just covered the length and breadth of unit 1. If anything is missing, you can just tell me on Monday's class. Okay, we'll leave. Okay. Ajad, you try to share the particular attendance. I'm not hearing the co-host voice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you. All of you leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.